We're in a beautiful woodland glade in the Haliburton Sculpture Forest in Glebe Park in Haliburton. And today we had a gathering of, probably about 80 people for the unveiling of these incredible pieces of art. And we heard the stories of the work from Jared.
The Sculpture Forest reached out to me on doing a project. And I've never done sculpture work before. I'm more of a painter on canvas. So I had to sort of think, and I almost declined actually, but you know, something pulled me in because I feel like as an artist, you kind of want to always have to challenge yourself, and I think this was a challenge. A lot of my art practice is me just with a canvas, doing my own thing and bringing people in and exposing them to my process and to my culture, and people that don't really get that so often, authentic Indigenous teachings and traditions. So I think a lot of them showed up not knowing what to expect, and a lot of them left with more of appreciation and respect for the craft, I think.
When Jared and I started talking, I realized, this is another wonderful opportunity to be able to engage the public, and not only in the process of creating, but in the process of learning and understanding about Anishinaabe stories, about the First Nations people, about woodland art. So it was a whole participatory process. It was also a whole education process.
I feel like the early stages of my process is just getting the paint on the canvas and getting it layered properly, and a lot of people are up for that. They were a bit timid at first, but as the days went on, they seemed like they already knew what they were doing when they showed up. And it made it a lot easier to kind of give people directions. I'm just thankful for Haliburton. I'm thankful for the people that brought me out here and all the hospitality and feeding my family. You know, I got 2 young ones, and you know, they weren't discouraged in showing up, and they were accepted to come out and, you know, help out with paintings and hang out, and it's just a good time to be out here.